Hi, this is Aishwarya. I am basically from Bangalore and I recently launched my company, which is called TalkTune and which is a lot into training and coaching. So, after I started the company, I wanted to get a little more depth about the coaching industry. So, I started, researching like any other person. So, I started researching. Honestly speaking, I spoke to at least three to four different coaching institutes. But then what stood out is definitely CocoWave. From the time I inquired till today, as in after my sessions are over, I loved the process with CocoWeave. I had interacted with almost three to four people from CocoWeave. It's very beautiful because first they started off with giving a webinar, which made me understand a little more clearer on why I have to do life coaching. So the reason I want to do life coaching was primarily for my business, but after doing the webinar with Miss Honey, I understood that it is a lot more to understand than what I actually know. So that is what one of the reasons I joined. And definitely after having a webinar with Miss Honey, I did have few more before with different institutes, but Miss Honey was very clear with her understanding of coaching. She was very direct. She was very you know basic of telling that what, this coaching industry is not exactly for everybody. Only if you're ready, please join. So she was giving facts instead of actually selling the whole concept of coaching. She was not trying to convince any of us to join. She was not giving us any such kind of things, but she made her point of understanding how the coaching can help us and what is coaching all about in real sense. And I have been a hybrid person in Kochi. And because I'm from Bangalore, the Coco is from Delhi. I did join in an online session, but I was told that there will be some people in the Delhi center and few of us are online. I was a little skeptical when I started off. Even before I started, I was a little skeptical how it's going to work and how they're going to take it. Will I have options to understand the whole concept? Will I be able to talk, ask questions, clarify my questions, all those things? But honestly, trust me, this is the best team I have worked with. It was extremely smooth. There was no issues. We had, any kind of technical issues were sorted immediately. It was very smooth. We didn't feel like there were people sitting in the Delhi center and Bangalore. We felt all of us were together and all of us were working together, learning together. Yes, my 5 day journey was amazing with Coco Weave and of course Miss Honey. Last but not least, the trainer itself, the person, the face of Coco Weave, I would say, is Miss Honey. Undoubtedly very poised, very composed, um, very knowledge, definitely huge amount of experience, and she's very clear about what coaching is. I'm very sure she comes from a very long experience of coaching, so she's very clear about every small things we ask or we might say. And I think one of the biggest key I learned that you have to be as a coach is patience. Definitely understanding how Honey dealt us for 5 full days. That was a complete day of session. The best part is I was very happy, even though it was 5 full days from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. I always wanted to go for the session next day, even though it is extremely intense. And of course, it takes a little toll on you because of sitting in the computer for 8 hours is not easy. But it still gives you that push to come the next day just because the way Miss Honey teaches it, and the way she was listening to us with all our stories, all our questions, all our experiences, all our doubts, everything was dealt very, very peacefully. And I heard the same thing from people who are sitting in Delhi as well. So, extremely big thank you to all of you, and a great effort by the entire team of CocoWeave, from the sales team to the marketing team to the person who's handling the entire operations of the session itself. I'm looking forward to a lot more session because I'm definitely inclined to get trained for a lot more PCC coaching and all those things. So thank you so much again, CocoWeave, to the entire team. Thank you.